Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Kara Sethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how we can create tasks to buy the expired items from the inventory and that too automatically. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. So the first software application we are using is Google Sheets, which is a spreadsheet program where we can create and share the spreadsheets. And the second application we are using is Asana, which is a task management software. So in place of Asana, we can also use Trello, ClickUp, Jira, Meester Task or any other task management software. So let's take an example that you are a health store owner and you are using Google Sheets to maintain the inventory of your health products. Now you want that whenever any of the health product gets expired, automatically a task should get created into your Asana account and it should be assigned to a specific team member to buy the products. So for that we need to create a connection between Google Sheets and Asana so that whenever the product is expired, automatically a task gets generated and it is assigned to a specific team member. In order to create an integration between both these software applications, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture all the details of the products that you have created into your Google Sheets. Then using the details of the products, automatically we are going to check for the expired products. And when we got all the details of the expired products, automatically a new task will get generated and it will be assigned to a specific team member for purchasing the inventory. And in this way, we are going to learn that how we can create an integration between Google Sheets and Asana using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen.
For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to Products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. And you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on Sign In. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Create Task to Buy Expired Items from Inventory Automatically. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to create a task for the expired items from our inventory. For that, we need to run this particular workflow on a regular basis. So open this trigger window and here in the choose application, let us find scheduler or schedule by Pabbly. Now how often you want to run your workflow? So I want this workflow to run every day. And here we have to give the time. So I'm giving it as 10 AM in the morning. Here we have to insert the time in the UTC time format only. So here I have to convert the time from 10 AM to UTC format. So 10 AM in the morning will be 4:30 AM in UTC time. So here I'm just mentioning 4:30 AM. Okay, and let's click on Save. Successfully scheduled. Okay, so this particular is going to run every day at 4:30 according to the UTC time. Okay, now we want to capture the current date. Okay, because we need to compare the current date with the expired date. Okay, so this is the Google Sheet where I have mentioned all the expiry dates of the products. So this date needs to be compared with the current date. For that, here we are going to come into the action window and here in the choose application, let us find date and time formatter. In the action event, we have to select current date. Click on connect. Now here we have to select the basic format. So here we have to select the same format in which format we have taken the dates in the Google Sheet. So I have taken the dates in the YY, MM and DD format. So we have to select the same format, that is YY, MM and DD over here. And let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received and here we can find today's date. Now we want all this Google Sheet data to be captured here in Pabbly Connect so that we can compare it. For that, click on this plus sign and click on Add Action Step. Here we have to select the application name as Google Sheets. In the action event, we have to select Lookup Spreadsheet Rows. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection and click on Connect with Google Sheets. Now here we have to choose an account, in which account we have created your Google Sheet. Pabbly Connect Sheets wants additional access to your Google account. Let's click on Continue and give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful. Okay, now the Google Sheets account is connected to Pabbly Connect. As we have created a connection, now here we can find all the spreadsheets that we have created in our Google Sheet account. Okay, so the sheet which we are using right now is Healthcare Products. Okay, this is the spreadsheet name and this is the sheet name Products. So we have to select both of these over here. The spreadsheet name is Healthcare Products and the sheet name is Products. As we have just one sheet in this particular spreadsheet, it is automatically captured. Now here we have to select the lookups columns. It means in which column we want to search for the data. So the lookup column will be column B. We have to insert column B over here. Okay. Here we have to give lookup value. What needs to be searched in this particular column? So we need to search for the date. So let us map the date from current date. That is date and time formatter. Okay. Include header in response. Let's keep it as true and sort value as top. And now before clicking on save and send test request, we have to make this simple response to advanced response just to capture the data in the array format. Okay, and let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. And when I increase the size of this particular field, here we can find that all the products whose expiry date matches with the current date are captured over here. Okay, so now we want to arrange all these products in a particular order. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Add Action Step. In the Choose Application, let us find Data Transformer. In the action event, we have to select Line Itemizer. Click on Connect. Now here we have to give line items array. So we have to map this particular array. Let us map it from Google Sheets. Okay, and response result was the array format. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can find that all the products are arranged all together and all the expiry dates are arranged all together. Okay, but now here we can see that we have some brackets, colons and commas over here. So we don't want all these data to be sent to the task management software, or we don't want to create a task using all these details. So we are just going to replace these text. For that, click on this plus sign Add Action Step. In the Choose Application, let us find Text Formatter. In the action event, we have to select Replace Text. Click on Connect. Now here we have to map the text that needs to be replaced. Let us map it from Google Sheets. Sorry, we have to map it from Data Transformer because we have arranged the data. Okay, so we are just mapping all the products over here. And here we have to map what needs to be found in this particular value. So we need to find brackets and colons. So let us map all of them over here. Okay, and this needs to be replaced with a comma. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can find the result that all the product names are arranged all together and just a comma is placed between them. Okay, so now we want to create a task in Asana. Okay, for that, click on this plus sign. And here in the Choose Application, let us find Asana. In the action event, we have to select Create a Task. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection and click on Connect with Asana. Authorization successful. And now the Asana tasks are connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the workspace. So I'll just take you to my Asana account. Here I have already created a workspace. Okay, and my workspace name is Global Enterprises. And in this particular workspace, I have created some projects. So we are going to select this particular project, that is Healthcare Products. So we have to select both of them over here in Pabbly Connect. So the workspace name is automatically captured. Here we have to select the project name as Healthcare Products. And here we have to give a task name. Okay, so here we want all the tasks to get created. For that, come to Pabbly Connect. And let us give the task name as Expired Products. Okay, and we are going to map all the details of the products which are expired. So we have got the details from the text formatter and we have to map this particular result. Here, if you want to mention some notes, you can mention it over here. I'm just giving it as these products needs to be purchased, as these are the expired products. These needs to be purchased once again, okay, to maintain the inventory. So if you want to mention due at, you can mention the due date along with the time over here. Or if you want to mention only the date, then you can mention it over here, okay. So as it is due today itself, I'm just mentioning the date as current date, okay. Here you have to select the assignee. So I want the assignee name to be Devin Parker. Here you have to select the assignee name. If you want to map the follower name, you can map it over here, okay. And here we have to select the tags. So I have already created some tags. So the tag's name is buy products, as these products needs to be buy once again, okay. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means a new task is created in our Asana account. Let's check it. Okay, and here we can find the task name as expired products. Along with that, we can find the product names. Okay, I'm just going to open the details. Here we can find the assignee name as Devin Parker, due date that is today, project that is healthcare products. And when we scroll down, we can find the tags as buy products, and the description as these products needs to be purchased. So in this way, we can see that a new task has been created and it is assigned to a specific team member to purchase it once again. Okay. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see that our integration is working fine. So let's save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. So now we have to check this in the real time, whether our integration is working fine or not. For that, I'm just going to come to my scheduler, and here I'm just going to give current time. So at present the time is 3:36 p.m. IST and it will be 10:06 UST time. So I'm just going to give it as 10:10. Okay. Let us change the time. Okay, I'm just giving it as 10:08. 10:10 will be too long. Okay. And let's click on save. Successfully scheduled. Okay. So this particular workflow is going to run at 10:08. Let's wait for some time. Okay. So now it's 10:08. Now we have to check whether our integration has run in the real time or not. For that, we have to go to the Asana account, and here we can find a new task created. Okay. And here I'm just going to open this task once again. And all the details are same just because we have rechecked it in the real time. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. And whenever the product is getting expired, automatically a new task is getting generated in our Asana account for just buying the inventory. Okay. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay, I'll be minimizing all the windows over here. Okay, the Asana window also. Okay. So first we have applied the scheduler that this particular workflow should run on a regular basis every day at a specific time. Then to capture the current date, we have used date and time formatter because we need to compare the current date with the expiry date of the product. Okay. Then we have used Google Sheets to capture all the data of the products into the Pabbly Connect account. Then we have used data transformer just to arrange all the items, that is the healthcare products, into a specific manner, that all the dates all together and all the products all together. Then we have used text formatter just because we have got some commas and brackets in the response of the product names. So we have used replace text option, and we have replaced the brackets and other details with the comma. Okay. And at last, when all the details were ready, we have just created a task into the Asana account. Okay. Into a particular project. So in this way, we have created a successful integration using Pabbly Connect.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.